PepsiCo, best known for producing Pepsi, the drink, but they have an array of different beverages. They also have a snack business. The market cap for Pepsi is 191 billion with 91 billion dollars of revenue. They pay a nice dividend of 4%. The P ratio is 25. Forward P is 16.87. And analysts think it's discounted. Over the last 5 years, it hasn't done all that great. Over the last 1 year, it's done terribly. And year to date, it's not doing well. The S&P is up 14, 15%, and this stock's down almost 8%. So investors are falling behind if they're owning Pepsi. But it's not about where a stock's been. It's not looking at the rear view mirror. It's about looking through the windshield and seeing what's going to lay ahead. Let's take a look at more information from Pepsi. So the revenue hasn't been growing, and we'll see where their forecast lands, but they have a problem with growth in 2024 and 2025. The free cash flows have been doing very well. They grew them and have sustained a very good cash flow rate. They have good margins for a consumer staple company. They have good profit margin, not as good as Procter, but decent. And their free cash flow margin is decent, but not great. 7.7 is okay. Looking at their forecast, analysts believe that this stock is discounted by 12% together, but top analysts have it at 18. Their revenue is going to grow single digit, and their profits are going to expand nicely, bringing down their earnings per share. So Pepsi isn't a terrible idea based on high-level fundamentals. But let me do a full valuation now. Pepsi is being priced 10% too high. I think each share is worth $127, but the market's selling shares for $141. And it's principally because of cash flows. Cash flows are just not high enough to add up to the stock price where it's trading. The earnings per share look good. And if I am generous and give them a 25 PE, it actually gets me to a 37% discount. But overall, I trust free cash flows more than earnings per share. And Pepsi would not be a good idea. It's not a terrible idea. I think their dividend looks pretty good at 4%. But I'm not looking for a decent idea. I'm looking for a good idea. I'm looking for a stock that I could invest in. It could basically go up when all my technology and growth stocks go down. And I don't think Pepsi is going to get the job done.